Hello everyone! In this video we are going to take a closer look at the process of staking Celer via MetaMask Wallet. But first, let's learn a little bit more about what the Celer network is. Introduction to Celer. The Celer network is a blockchain platform for decentralized applications. It supports Layer 2 solutions on top of existing chains and offers high transaction capacity at low cost. Celer supports 11 wallets, 32 chains, and 124 tokens. Its main features include the State Guardian Network, C-Bridge, and Layer 2 finance. The Celer network enables developers to access efficient liquidity utilization, coherent application logic, and shared states. It also allows users to earn a two-way passive reward when they stake the network's protocol token, Celer. So how to stake Celer via MetaMask Wallet? Install MetaMask. You need a crypto wallet to get started. Before you start delegating tokens, you need to create or import a wallet. To do this, go to the MetaMask Wallet site and click the download button. Next, click Install MetaMask for Chrome to install the extension. In the new window that opens up, click Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension to continue. Now your extension is installed. To make it visible on your panel, click on the Extensions button, then pin the MetaMask Wallet plugin. To proceed, click Get Started. Then choose the option that is right for you. You can import an existing wallet with your secret recovery phrase or create a new one. In this case, we choose to create a new wallet. Skip the next phrase by clicking I agree or no thanks. Create a strong and secure password and then confirm it. Accept the terms of use and click the Create button. Next, save your seed phrase in a safe place. We advise you not to make a screenshot, but to write it down on a piece of paper and keep it in a safe place that no one else has access to but you, because it's the only way to recover your funds if your device crashes or your browser resets. After that, you need to confirm your seed recovery phrase by entering the 12 words of the phrase in the right order. Finally, click the Confirm button. Your MetaMask wallet has now been successfully created. Top up your wallet. First, you have to copy your MetaMask account to your clipboard and then go to your Celer account wallet or exchange and set your tokens to your MetaMask address you have copied already. To make your Celer tokens visible, click Import Tokens and search for Celer in the search bar. Click on the Celer network logo and press Next. A new window will appear. Click Import Tokens. Your Celer account has been created successfully and your transferred Celer tokens are visible. Connect your wallet. Proceed to the Celer SGN staking website. Click Connect Wallet at the top right corner of your screen. Select MetaMask Wallet from the pop-up menu. This will automatically connect the selected wallet to the Celer network. Staking Celer. To delegate Celer, you will need ETH for transaction fees and Celer tokens for staking. The transaction fees are necessary to initiate staking, unstaking, and withdrawal requests for staking Celer in the pool. To start, select Everstake from the list of all validators. Why stake with Everstake? Everstake is the biggest decentralized staking provider. Trusted by 625,000 users, Everstake runs the top-notch gear that allows us to guarantee the 99.9% uptime of our nodes. By pooling with us, you increase your rewards since the odds of generating a block in POS protocols depend on the amount of coins staking. All payouts are calculated and processed automatically, so you receive the rewards as soon as they are released by the blockchain. Then click Stake or Delegate. Type in the amount of Celer you want to stake and click Permit to stake your Celer. Click Confirm when prompted to confirm the transaction. Then Delegate to approve. Once approved, a pop-up will appear on your screen with the message Delegation completed, which means that you have completed the staking. Note that it may take some time to show in My Rewards. Click the Expand button next to Details to check your delegation details. Monitor your rewards. To monitor your rewards, go to the My Rewards tab. Here you can see your rewards. You can also find information about your delegations on the page below. If you want to learn more about the Celer network or you have any additional questions, please visit our FAQ page. Thank you for watching.